Sa bakit?
One natin on the lead vocals, Laila Dumaki on lead vocals, Rene Vivara on keyboards, Alex Anao on guitar, Richmond Ramos on drums, Lunay Ramos on bass, Chris Maria on saxophone, Christian De Leon on the trumpet, and Venom De Leon on the drum.
Bukredo sila na namin dito! Happy for you.
Happy birthday mo.
Hinapa lang kita, gusto kitang halikan sa TV.
Hindi mangyayari yung pagdito dahil sa kapatid ko si Lawrence, ang aking producer and arranger.
Yes!
Pero dito na, promote mo naman ang singling.
Signaling po, next week na po ilalabas, September 27, that's Saturday, 7 p.m. po. Pagkatapos Sunday, that's September 28 naman po, alas 8 ng gabi. Signaling Single Everything Edition!